Hello friends, my name is Raj and you are watching my YouTube channel Prayas. In this video, I will present an essay on my school. With the help of this video, you can improve your English speaking. So let's start today's video. My school is very beautiful. Its building is very large. I study in class second. There are 40 students in class second. The classroom of my school are large, big, beautiful and airy. There is a computer lab in my school. All the students go there and learn how to work on computer. There is a huge library in my school. There are 1,000 books in library where any students can read any book and gain knowledge. There is a huge playground in our school. On the playground, we all children play cricket, badminton, football, and various games. The teachers of our school are very good. They never beat us. They take care of all the children. They always love us. We, we participate in all kinds of cultural programs that take place on 15 August, 26th January, 2nd October, and annual function. From, from our school, we learn subject, good manners, and ethics. The annual function is celebrated with great pomp in our school. I love my school. It is a pride of our city. So, friends, this was an essay on my school. I think you would like it. And if you have liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, then ask me.